हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, इस वीडियो में मैं जावा का इंट्रोडक्शन देने जा रहा हूँ। जावा के बारे में इनिशियल बातें जो आपको पता होनी चाहिए। प्रोग्रामिंग के बारे में बात अगली बार वीडियो में करेंगे। जावा है क्या है? ये एक हाई लेवल लैंग्वेज है। इट इज अ हाई लेवल लैंग्वेज विच वॉज डेवलप्ड बाय सन माइक्रो सिस्टम एंड इट इज इन्वेंटेड बाय जेम्स गोसलिंग and 1994, and it was originally known as Oak. It was developed as a part of the Green project by the Sun Microsystem company, and it was designed for the handheld devices and set-top boxes. It is having so many characteristics. One of them is, first one is platform independent. Platform independent means Java applications are compiled into bytecodes. These bytecodes remain same for every platform, making the Java application executable easily from one computer system to another computer system. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि आप किसी भी प्लेटफॉर्म पे इसको रन कर सकते हैं। इसके कोड में कोई भी चेंज नहीं करना पड़ता अगर आप किसी दूसरे प्लेटफॉर्म को यूज करें। प्लेटफॉर्म का मतलब हमारा ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम से है। कंपाइल्ड एंड इंटरप्रेटेड, इसमें जावा सोर्स कोड फर्स्ट गेट कंपाइल्ड इनटू बाइट कोड। बाकी लैंग्वेजेस में वो बाइनरी कोड में बन जाता है। यहाँ पे एक बाइट कोड है। बाइट कोड इज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द अदर कोड्स बिकॉज इट इज अंडरस्टेबल बाय द जावा वर्चुअल मशीन। इसका खुद का एक इंटरप्रेटर है, उसके थ्रू ही इसको इंटरप्रेट कर सकते हैं। तो ये जो बाइट कोड है वो मशीन रीडेबल फॉर्म में रहता है। So what is bytecode and JVM? Java is a high level language and the program written is high level language is compiled and then converted into intermediate language known as bytecode. This is very important. Intermediate language that is known as bytecode. When this bytecode is run on any other system, the interpreter known as JVM, which creates a platform to run the bytecode. So it translates the bytecode in the machine form and machine is able to understand it. JVM acts as a virtual processor which possesses the bytecode to machine code for the various platforms. That is why it is known as Java Virtual Machine. So when we write a program in Java, all the program is given extension name as .java, and after compilation we get a dot class. For example, if we create a program ABC, so we'll save it as abc.java. Then after compilation we'll get a abc.class. It has another feature that is write once, run anywhere. The Java program need to be written once, which can run on different platform. Changes in system resources will not force any changes in the Java program. Only the Java interpreter needed to be changed depending upon the platform, that is JVM is needed to be changed. There are two types of Java program, applets and application program. Applets are the program which runs on the web browser, which supports graphics also, and application programs are the general programming like any other programming language. What is Java API? It is also known as Java Standard Library. It includes several predefined classes and method grouped as a package that can be used by the Java program. Whenever we need to use any predefined class, we can import and use it. So that all these classes are stored in the Java library Three examples are given. Language support package, that is as java.lang, input output support package as java.io, and utility package as java.util. When we write a program, then there are some possibilities of errors. The syntactical error in Java code is one in which the language you use to create your code is incorrect. So first type of error is syntactical error. For example, if you try to create an if statement but does not include the condition in the parenthesis, or semicolon is missing in a statement where it is required, you do not write the parenthesis in the proper way, that all errors are known as syntactical error. This error comes when we do not follow the rules of the language. Runtime error occurs when the program does not contain any syntactical error but asks the computer to do something that is computer is unable to reliably do. For example, if the user inputs a data of string format when the computer is expecting it as an integer, then there is a runtime error. So in an integer variable we are trying to store some string type of value, or we write wrong index number which is not possible. Then also at the time of compilation there is no error, and at the time of execution it will not be able to execute it. Logical errors are the mistakes in the program source code that results in incorrect or unexpected behavior. It means what? Suppose आपने प्रोग्राम लिखा, उसमें कोई सिंटैक्स एरर नहीं है, आपने एग्जीक्यूट किया, कोई रन टाइम एरर नहीं आई और आपके सामने एक आउटपुट आ गया. बट अगर वो आउटपुट वो नहीं है जो आप एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं, देन दिस विल बी अ लॉजिकल एरर. So there is a comparison between syntax error, runtime error, and the logical error. What is syntax error? Syntax is a set of rules. Here, syntax is a set of rules that states how the program's code must be formatted. Syntax error happen when a computer programmer does not obey the grammar rules of the programming language being used. Now, runtime error happens when the programmer instructs a computer to carry out a task that is either cannot do or is too slow to perform. Runtime error occurs during the program execution. Logical errors are the mistake in the design of the program that causes the program to behave unexpected way. Logical error will stop a program from running but will produce incorrect result. The result is there. What are the common causes of the syntax error? The wrong letter case is used. Java is case sensitive language. So if the alphabets are not written as the way it is expected to be written, it will display a syntax error. Punctuation is inserted in the wrong place. Reserved word or the variables are spelled incorrectly. Reserved word has to be have same spelling as it should have. Common causes: there is an insufficient memory available in the program, in the computer. For example, we write a code which occupies lot of memory, and when the computer will run out of the memory, then also this runtime error may occur. Unusual data is encountered, or we are trying to divide a number by 0. Logical error, what is the common cause? The programmer has not understood the purpose of the program. The programmer has not understood the individual behavior of each operations that is the part of the program.